First, make a slip knot and place it on a knitting needle. Then take a piece of scrap yarn and place it underneath the needle at the back of the working yarn. Then hold the needle, one end of the scrap yarn and the yarn tail all together in your right hand. And while you hold the other end of the scrap yarn in your left hand, move the working yarn to the back of the scrap yarn, to the front of the needle, over the needle, and to the front of the scrap yarn, like this. We've just cast on one new stitch. And then repeat the same steps. The yarn goes to the back of the scrap yarn, front of the needle, over the needle, and the front of the scrap yarn. And keep going, repeating the same sequence until you cast on all stitches that you need for your project. And once you're done, turn your work and get ready to work on your first row. It also helps to tie the ends of the scrap yarn either together or to make a knot at each end of the scrap yarn to make sure the stitches stay put and don't run away from you as you work on your project.